Since we are going to be doing a whole lot with the MevX, here I'm just going to be showing you the first step, which is on how to connect your Phantom wallet into the MevX, right? Because we are going to be trading with these trading mem coins and doing a whole lot. So in the next video, I'll just be showing you how to carry out sniper trade using this MevX and how to follow the KOLs. KOLs are industry expert that you can copy their trade. All right, that's one of the beauty of using this MevX. So like I said, the first step is what I am going to be showing you, which is how to connect your Phantom wallet. All right, so if you're new to this channel, ensure you subscribe to the channel and turn on the notifications, and also join the Telegram group to stay updated and whenever I'm dropping profitable meme coins that you can buy and make money off. So without further ado, let's just, like I said, is to connect our Phantom wallet. Now you can connect you can perform 3 connections here in this MevX if you want to start trading with it. So the first connection you can perform is to click on, you can either decide to log in by using your Telegram by clicking on that sign in. It's going to sign you in. Now these are the 3 methods that are available for logging in. You can log in through either you can connect your Telegram, or you can connect your Google account, or you can connect your wallet. So for the purpose of trading with this MevX platform, we are going to be connecting our Phantom wallet. And the wallet that you are going to be connecting here, downloading, is Phantom wallet. Okay, so you click on this connect wallet right here. Click on the connect wallet. It's going to load up your Phantom. Go ahead and click on Phantom. It's going to redirect you back to your Phantom wallet for you to approve the connections. All right, just give a little minute, and while you're doing this, ensure your network is very stable. So it is going to load up this. Now you can see connect your MevX. Just go ahead and click on this connect. I am connecting the Solflare account. This is just a name. Okay, you can decide to choose the name of the wallet you want to connect, but I want to be connecting just Solflare. That was how I renamed this account, but it is actually a Phantom wallet. You can decide to name your wallet anyhow you want to name it. Okay, so I'll just go ahead and click on this connect button, and as soon as you click on that, it's going to redirect you back to the MevX platform for final connections. Just hold on a little while it redirects you back. Then it's going to show finalize sign in. Whenever you see this, just go ahead and finalize the sign in by clicking on the sign in again. It will redirect you back to your Phantom wallet to complete the sign in. Go ahead and click on confirm. And as soon as that is done, it will grant you an automatic access to the platform. Okay, so whenever it shows up home page, it shows up page not found, just go ahead and refresh the page by dragging the screen down, and it's gonna show automatic sign up and sign you in automatically. All right, how you sign into your MevX trading account using your Phantom wallet. So if you have any other questions, leave them at the comment section, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. See you in the next video.